Hi, I'm Mrs. Moorfield, and in these short videos, we're going to go over letter and word sounds. Today, we're reviewing the short vowel sounds. There's 5 of them. We're starting with the letter A, which makes an A sound. We'll remember the A sound by saying apple. Next, we're going to go over some words that have that A sound in them. For each of the vowels, we'll go over these words. Please make sure that when I say the word, you say it with me. We'll see words where the short vowel is in the middle and at the beginning of these words. We'll start with cat, map, at, as. We're going to move on to the next letter, I. The short sound for I is I. We'll remember that by saying the word itch. Sit, big, is, in. Next we have O. The short sound for O is ah. We'll remember octopus to remember ah. Remember to say the words with me. Hot, mop, on, ox. Next we have U. The short sound for U is We'll remember up to remember Remember to say the words with me. Cut, run, up, us. Lastly, we have the E. The E short sound is e. We'll say edge, like the edge of the table, to remember e. Men, get, elf, end. And that's the end of this video. Make sure that you record your reading on Flipgrid, and I will see you next time.